2,000. Ready? We started with 2,000 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Win the money.
Some call it where you throw from.
The angle. Different angle. Different angle.
Come around.
Come on, yourself. Come back on yourself. We can't know who throw it.
Fuck you, take me first.
Measure the length now. Length. That's the one that's difficult though. The guitars are difficult. The angle bad. Who next?